G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a charming cottage, 22 Coringa Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. There's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This charming, low-set cottage is positioned on a spacious 630 square metre allotment in the highly sought-after Bayside location of Urangan. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities all within walking distance, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, the beautiful Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants, and the iconic Urangan Pier. This home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyer looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential and room to add further value. Astute investors should also note Hervey Bay's tight rental vacancy rate, and this property would make a solid investment as well as being ideal for the popular Airbnb holiday letting as well. The open plan dining and kitchen does form the heart of this home, with the kitchen offering sufficient bench and storage space, and you've got an electric stove. There is also a separate lounge room with air conditioning to enjoy your favourite television series and movie releases. This home does include 2 bedrooms, both with freestanding wardrobes. The bathroom features a shower and a vanity as well as the toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. There is also a front veranda to enjoy your morning cuppa and a cool beverage of an afternoon whilst overlooking your private front yard. Vehicle accommodation does include a large single carport, with the area to the rear also being suitable as a second outdoor area if required. This home also offers ample space to add an extra shed or a pool if desired. Homes at this price point in this location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.